Hey savvy innovators! Today on Savvy Tricks, we are making a remote-control toy car using DC motor and popsicle sticks. Let's get started. First, take a popsicle stick and cut a straight line across the end where it starts to round, so that the edges of the stick become straight. Then, take a ruler and mark a point at 3 inches on the stick. Cut the stick at the marked point using a scissors. Use that stick as a guide and cut 4 more sticks. Place all 5 sticks together, take 1 more stick and trim its rounded end. Take measurements and mark on stick. Now, using this stick as a guide, cut another stick. Repeat this process with 1 more stick. Using a hot glue gun, attach the smaller sticks onto the larger sticks. We are doing this to ensure that the base of our frame is strong and long-lasting. Now, take an axle with DC motor for the toy car. Now, apply hot glue thoroughly in one line on one side of the frame. Carefully adjust the axle motor onto the frame. After attaching the axle, move the frame back and forth to ensure that the axle is balanced and allows for easy movement. Now, take a battery cell holder along with 2 battery cells. Insert the cells into the holder. These cells will power the DC motor, which will make our toy car move. Now, take a button. Take a small piece of wire. Place the cell holder on the frame and check for weight management. Apply hot glue to the frame. Firmly adjust the cell holder onto the frame. Connect the positive wire of the cell holder to the positive pole of the DC motor. Attach one end of the small wire to the negative pole of the DC motor. Then, attach the other end of the wire to the button. Apply hot glue from the glue gun on top of the battery cell. Attach the button on top of battery cell. Now, take a bottle cap. Place the tip of the glue gun on center of bottle cap and press down. We are doing this because the tip of the glue gun is hot, which makes it easier to create a hole in the bottle cap. Take a straw and insert it into the hole in the bottle cap. Apply glue inside of the bottle cap around the straw. Let it set for a while. Now, trim off any excess straw from the bottle cap. Pass a toothpick through the straw. Rotate the bottle cap to check its movement. Cut or break the toothpick to the appropriate length. Pass toothpick through the straw and ensure that the bottle cap can move freely. Take a popsicle stick and apply glue to one end of it. Place the toothpick in position and ensure it is perfectly straight. Now, attach the bottle cap on it. Apply glue to the other popsicle stick. Attach the other end of the toothpick to the second popsicle stick. Rotate it to ensure that it moves freely. Position the sticks around the button to see if they fit correctly. Apply glue on both sides of the button. Attach the bottle cap assembly to the button. Press the sticks firmly to secure them in place. Now, turn on the button and test the car. Thanks for tuning into Savvy Tricks. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more practical DIY videos. Stay savvy and see you in our next video.